Hello, welcome to Global Village Technology. Today I'll take you through the fee register. This is the fee register which captures the timely fees and also help in collection of fee. Now, as you can see here, we have the name, we have admission number. That in case of primary use, we can use the UPI number instead of admission number. Then here that one we have the previous year's balance. That one in case that we are starting a new year and let's say the pupil or say the student close with some balance, or in any situation whereby the pupil or the parent prepaid, then we can always insert them on this cell. Now here we have the term one. For the term one fee, you will always feed them here. Then we have installment, because there are some of the parents that they cannot afford to clear the fee at once. Now you find that you'll be feeding the installment as the parents pays. We have here term two, and if we move, we have term three as well, meaning the system is capturing the whole year. And you can see here now. Here we have the first one on a yellow shade. This one is total paid. It will show you the total amount the student have paid since the beginning of the term until where you are at the moment. Then here it will always indicate the balance. Whenever the student is having a balance, the color will always change. Here we are seeing that it's green because assuming that the student here or there's no record, and for those people they have zero balance. That's why it is in green color. Whenever you have a balance or even 1 shilling, it will always highlight on a different color. Then if you check scroll here, you check, we have cumulative balance. Now this one shows the balance of the class, the total class, assuming that maybe say from 1 or class 1 had got 20 students, or let's say 50 students, then this one will always show the balance of all that class, cumulative balance. Then this one, the total invoice, this will be equivalent to the number of students, the amount of fee that you expect from that class. That means that if there were 20 students and the fee was 7,000, then it will calculate the amount of fee you're supposed to get from that class. If we move here a little bit, we'll see we have the cumulative paid. This one shows the amount of money or the cash which has been paid by the whole class. Now it will always help you to know. Now this is what you are expecting, this was remaining, this is what you've gotten so far. Now again, on this under global technology, you still have the section where this section can also print the receipt. Like if you check here, we have the receipt section. Let me show you there. Now in this situation, you find that we have the date, the section of the date. The date is formatted. Now you just need to insert let's say if it is 5th of May, then you just type 5th. Let's try 5th of May. Then you press enter key. Then it will tell you the 5th of May was on a Thursday. Then here we have the term. If you click here, there's a button here at the end. You click on that button, it will show you to select which term is the fee being paid. Is it term 1, term 2, term 3? Term 3, you click term 3 and bam, automatically it will be there. Now here, received from, this will be the name, it depends on how the school always capture, maybe the name of the student or the name of the parent who paid the fee. It will be typed here, assuming that the parent is called Lawrence. We'll type Lawrence, and there we have it. They have Lawrence there. Then here it's written this amounts in word. Now this system always make work easy. You don't need to type the amount in words again, because once you've inserted the amount paid, it will always detect and write it in words. Like this situation, if you try to if you try to edit that section, the system will not allow you. Like let's try to write, let's say 3,000. You see there'll be a pop-up thing there, and you are not allowed to do that. Now that means that you cannot make a mistake there. Now in this situation, you just check. Here we have the payment purpose. The payment purpose, if you click here, there's a button. Can either be school fee, school trip, tuition fee, and others. Now you'll specify which money have been paid, so that if it is school trip, you just click and bam. Then on this side, if you can see, we have the money or the mode of payment. I mean, if you click on the mode of payment, there's a button there. Click on the button, there'll be a pop-up list whereby we have cash, check, money order, and bank slip. If it is cash, just click once, and there it is. Another one we have received by the person in charge. We have the designation here. You can always check Mr., Miss, Madam. You can check who is that. In this situation, let's use Mr. Then you type here the name, it will be Mr. Lawrence. Then after you printed this one, the person in charge of finance will sign. Then the total due amount, this is the balance of the student, that one before any payment is made. Now you just check on the fee register, assuming that the student has got the balance of 7,000, then there it is. Then the parent or the student has paid, let's say 5,000. You write 5,000, amount paid 5,000. Check on the balance due, it will change automatically. Once you click here, it will be now balance will be 2,500. And if you check on the amounts in what is written, 5,000 shillings. That's the amount which was paid by the parent or the student. Now you see it make work easy. Then after that, when you are done, you just move straight away to the button here. You click file, you click print, then it will show you the section to be printed. Like in this situation, bit to bit because of my machine, but it will always detect, and it will print the whole receipt at once. Then you cancel, and that's how you always print that. Now you find that you will always be making work easy. But in any question, if you need any clarity, any further assistance, there's also a number here which you can call through the Global Village Technology. The logo is here. The number is 0714103575, which there are more to come. And if you check here, we also have the graph. This one can always show you the cumulative balance, total invoice, and the cumulative paid. You can always check on how things are moving as per the class, and you find that that's how it will always make work easy. It is something just designed just to ease in the work and also to help in fee follow-up. Thank you. You can follow me on the YouTube channel at Sir Lawrence. Please subscribe and check on more